Hello, viewers. Welcome to iNet Tech Talk. Today, we are diving into the installation of Android Studio. Let's get started. Visit the official website of Android Studio. After accepting the terms and condition, download the installation file into a folder of your choice. Double-click the setup file and follow the instructions. Enable the checkbox for Android Virtual Device. Use the default setup location and allow the installation to finish. Accept the license agreement and continue. After the installation is finished, the welcome screen will appear. That means the installation of Android Studio is now complete. That wraps up our Android Studio installation. Thanks a ton for tuning into iNet Tech Talk. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech tutorials. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Bye for now.